In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send payment link with Wise. If you've ever needed a fast, straightforward way to ask someone for money without sharing bank details, a payment link is perfect. It creates a secure, one-click path for the other person to pay you, and you can share it just like any normal link. Start on your home dashboard. From here, look for the option labeled Request and select it. This is where Wise groups all the tools related to asking for a payment. Next, choose Request a Payment. This tells Wise you're the one receiving funds and sets up the flow so the other person can complete the payment from their side. Now, select Payment Links. This feature creates a unique link that points directly to your payment request. It's designed to be effortless for both you and the payer, and it works well whether you're sending it to a client, a friend, or anyone who needs to pay you back. Enter the amount for the payment link you want. Take a moment to double-check that the number is correct before you move on. If your account supports multiple currencies, make sure the amount and currency match what you expect to receive. Clear amounts help your payer understand exactly what they're being asked to pay. Once you create the link, Wise will generate it for you and immediately show you a QR code as well. The QR code and the link do the same thing. They both take the payer to the secure payment page. You can download the QR code and share it in a document, an invoice, or even display it on a screen if you're collecting payment in person. The regular link will also be available for you to copy. You can paste that into a message, an email, or any chat app you prefer. Either way, the person paying will just open the link or scan the code and follow the on-screen steps to complete the payment. A helpful tip: if you want to see what your payer will experience, open the link yourself in a private browser window. You won't complete the payment, but you'll confirm that everything looks right and that the amount is exactly what you intended. And there you go. You've requested a payment by selecting Request, then Request a Payment, choosing Payment Links, entering your amount, and sharing the link or QR code. That's all.